West Virginia car seat laws. Are you a parent or caregiver in West Virginia? In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about West Virginia's car seat laws and how to keep your little ones safe on the road. Installing a car seat can be a daunting task, but it's one of the most important things you can do to protect your child in case of an accident. In West Virginia, children are required to ride in a car seat or booster seat until they are 8 years old or 4 feet 9 inches tall. It's important to make sure that the car seat is installed correctly and that your child is buckled up properly every time you get in the car. Always make sure that the car seat straps are snug and that the chest clip is at armpit level. You should not be able to pinch any slack in the straps. Did you know that car seats expire? It's important to check the expiration date on your car seat and replace it if it has expired or been in an accident. You can also register your car seat with the manufacturer to receive important safety information and recall notices. When purchasing a car seat, make sure to choose one that fits your child's height, weight, and age. And always follow the manufacturer's instructions for installation and use. Remember, car seat safety isn't just the law, it's the right thing to do to protect your child.